Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper fortune teller. Please take a sheet of paper. If you guys have a rectangular shaped paper, we need to make it into a square sheet of paper. Now the square sheet of paper is ready. Now let's fold one corner to the other corner, then unfold it. Now do the same thing to the other corner. Now take the corner of the paper and fold it to the center of the paper. All four corners are folded in and now it looks like a smaller square. Now let's flip it. Now take each corner and fold them to the center. Now we have a much smaller square. Now let's fold it to make it more flexible. You guys can write numbers on the first side and you can keep some colors on the other side. Put your fingers in each small pocket and open up the pockets. Wow, we've made a fortune teller out of paper. If you like, you can color it and make it look good. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Thank you.